Hello, everyone. Welcome to ICAN Case Study Online Classroom, which is one of the training academy created by Jimo Olaleko and Associates, a bookkeeping and accounting firm. You see, ICAN Case Study Online Classroom was founded in 2019, and our first diet was November 2019 diet. And since then, we have helped over 300 ICANN students pass case study easily. So, I would like to personally welcome you to this platform. This is me, Jimo Lalekon. I am a chartered accountant who love to teach accounting and other related courses, including case study. I am the founder of Jimo Olaleko and Associates, a bookkeeping and accounting firm which was founded in 2018. Meanwhile, in 2019, due to the number of requests I we got from different students asking for a platform to be created which can help students pass case study easily without having to pay too much and end up breaking their bank accounts. So we decided to create ICANN Case Study Online Classroom, which has since then become the best online platform when it comes to ICANN Case Study. And we have helped over 300 students pass case study easily. Also, in 2023, I founded Practical Accounting Training Academy, which is just like ICANN Case Study Online Classroom. The Practical Accounting Training Academy is an online school that teaches accountants, business owners, career changers on how to prepare financial reports. So the idea is that when in practice we have this challenge of uh, when having to deal with businesses when they give you jobs, uh, you know, the usual thing we get is that there is no source document. So you as an accountant, you won't have anything to work with. Okay. So you end up getting their bank statement alone. So which is an incomplete record in accounting. So we have created the Practical Accounting Training Academy to help teach accountants how to prepare financial reports from just bank statements using Excel, you see. And that is not all. The training will also teach you how to monetize your accounting skill. You see, how to monetize your accounting skill. So it is a fantastic online training that every accountant should run to. Mostly those who do not have practical experience. And to some of you who does not have this practical experience and is about to get qualified, you should join Practical Accounting Training Academy anytime soon. So again, I say a very warm welcome to you all. Here is my promise to you. So, usually before I commence any training or lecture, I like to I like to promise my students ahead of time. Okay? And here is my promise to you. You see, at the end of this lecture series, at the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand everything about case study. You will understand everything about case study. As a matter of fact, some of our students have ended up becoming case study lecturers, which is because we have shown to them every secret, about case study. So there will be nothing hidden to you. And I will show you some secrets that will even put you in the position of the examiners and the assessors combined. The assessors, they know certain things. The examiners, they are the one that brings up the exam, that sets the exam, that sets the that prepares the solution. Okay, so I will put you in that position so that even before you write the exam, you have already known what how to assess yourself. By the time you finish the exam on the exam day, you begin to assess yourself too, and you know whether you have passed or not. Okay, so at the end of the day, you will be able to write case study report with no support at all, and you will be able to write it in that standard required by ICAN. So and I would like to implore you to follow all the instructions given, because these are the things that will help you to achieve that, I mean, to get to that stage. You see, you must follow instructions, and you must attempt every assignment given to you, no matter how small the assignment might be. Okay, so here is how the lecture will go. The lecture will be taken in lecture series, that is in topics, and each lecture series will lead to the next. So you have to follow each lecture series, and you have to take your time to digest this lecture series. Each lecture series will be broken down into 10 minutes each to aid easy understanding. And lecture videos will be phone and computer friendly, and you can equally watch on any of your other devices. Lecture will last between 7 to 8 weeks, and I would like to apologize from the beginning now, because of my teaching style. The teaching style is adult Montessori, and the idea is that people are at different stages of learning. Some are fast in learning, some are slow in learning. So I want to take an approach that will be meaningful to everybody. So the adult Montessori, we teach you, we help me teach you as if you were to be a kid, as if I'm teaching kids, so that there is no way, no matter who you are, see, no matter who you are, you will understand everything about case study. And so the teaching might be slow. You see, it might be slow, and it is slow because I want you to get everything about I can case study. Scope of this lecture. So, in order to ensure that the promise made earlier is achieved, so we have to set a boundary. We have to set a boundary in order to achieve that promise. And the idea is that there is a focus in this paper. There is a focus. I mean, there are things that we have to focus on, because this paper is unique. And as such, we expect students to have a very sound foundation in PM, that is performance management, financial reporting, and CSMA. These are papers you have taken in your skills level. So even if you have, yes, of course, you have passed this paper, I would like you to try to bring out your packs, put it beside you, and start revising some of the topics taught in these other papers. And we also expect students to be writing corporate reporting and strategic financial management in addition to case study at the final level. You see, This this will help them a lot in passing case study, because there are some topics, particularly the present, I mean the analysis of financial statement taught in CR is very relevant in this paper, and some appraisal techniques taught in SFM. These topics are very, very relevant in ICAN case study. So, so here is the lecture outline, and this lecture outline has been designed to help you achieve your goal, that is to help you pass case study, this outline is in line with the the 2021 syllabus. The last time the syllabus was reviewed was in 2021, and is in line with that syllabus. Okay, so the first lecture series, we look at introduction and meaning of case study. Then we look at the ICAN case study, which is the series 2. The lecture series 3, we look at how case study uh, can be assessed. So you know how the paper will be assessed, and you have to start working towards passing by knowing that. Okay, then we look at executive summary. We look at some other things they look at in your report, the overall report and appendices. Then we look at the body of the report. What does the body of the report entails? We look at that. Then we look at operational and strategic analytical skill and tools. We look at financial statement analytical skill and tools. Then we look at financial data analytical skill and tools. And lastly, we look at report writing and skill bosses, report writing skill, that is your communication skill. So we look at all these things. At the end of the day, this will help you in passing ICAN case study. So I want to say a very sound welcome to you. So I want you to take your time when watching these videos. Take your time. In fact, have a notebook beside you where you jot and formulate your own notes. Okay, you jot down some key things we say in case study, and you formulate your own notes, which will be your own guide, or the notes you also look at when you are practicing report writing. So I want to say a very big welcome to you. You are welcome to ICAN case study online classroom.